Your future starts now. Imagine yourself stepping into a world of endless possibilities. Join Bank of America's 2025 Internship. This is more than just an internship, it's a gateway to your future. Are you ready for an amazing opportunity? A chance to work with some of the brightest minds in the industry? Bank of America is looking for talented students like you. We believe in nurturing talent and providing a platform for growth. It offers a fantastic internship program for the summer of 2025. It's designed to give you hands-on experience. This is your chance to gain valuable experience in the financial world. Learn the ropes from industry leaders. Get ready to learn, grow, and build your future with us. Our program is tailored to help you succeed. Their corporate audit summer analyst internship is designed to give you real-world experience. You'll be involved in meaningful projects. You will learn from the best in the industry and make a real impact. Your contributions will be valued and recognized. It's an exciting time to join Bank of America. Be part of a dynamic team that's shaping the future of finance. They are a leading financial institution, and you can be a part of our success. Your journey starts here. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Take the leap and apply today. Apply now and take your first step towards a rewarding career. Your future at Bank of America awaits. Bank of America, a legacy of financial strength. Since our inception, it has been dedicated to building a robust financial foundation. Bank of America has a rich history of serving customers and communities. Their commitment to excellence has been unwavering through the decades. For over a century, we have been a cornerstone of the financial industry. Their presence in major cities and small towns alike speaks to our dedication. They are committed to responsible growth and making a positive difference. Their partnerships and collaborations are built on trust and mutual respect. Their global reach and diverse range of financial products and services make us a leader in the market. They strive to meet the evolving needs of their clients. They believe in investing in the future, and that includes investing in talented individuals like you. Your growth is our priority. By joining Bank of America, you become part of a legacy of excellence and innovation. Our team is dedicated to pushing boundaries and achieving greatness. We are excited to welcome you to our team and help you build a successful future. Dive into corporate audit, the heart of financial integrity. The corporate audit department is crucial to Bank of America's success. Our team ensures the accuracy and integrity of our financial operations. We assess risk, test controls, and provide independent assurance to management and the board of directors. As an intern in corporate audit, you will gain valuable insights into the financial services industry. You will learn about risk management, internal controls, and financial regulations. Our experienced professionals will guide you every step of the way. Your internship journey: learn, grow, and thrive. This internship program is designed to provide you with a comprehensive learning experience. You will receive a structured training. We offer comprehensive training to equip you with the necessary skills and knowledge. This includes workshops, seminars, and hands-on sessions to ensure you are well prepared. Hands-on experience. You will work on real projects and gain practical experience in a dynamic environment. This will allow you to apply what you've learned in a real-world setting, enhancing your problem-solving and critical thinking skills. Mentorship. You will be paired with experienced professionals who will provide guidance and support. They will help you navigate your career path, offering valuable insights and advice. Networking opportunities. You will have the chance to connect with senior leaders and build your network. These connections can open doors to future career opportunities and collaborations. This program is designed to help you grow both professionally and personally. We believe in nurturing your talents and helping you reach your full potential. They are committed to your development and success. Join us and embark on a journey that will shape your future and help you thrive in your career. Are you the ideal candidate? They are seeking highly motivated and talented individuals who are eager to learn. To be eligible for our corporate audit summer analyst internship, you should be currently enrolled in a bachelor's degree program, preferably graduating between December 2025 and June 2026. Have strong analytical, problem-solving, and communication skills. Be proficient in Microsoft Office Suite, particularly Excel and PowerPoint. While not required, prior internship experience in finance or accounting is a plus. They also value candidates who demonstrate leadership potential and a strong work ethic. Seize the opportunity, apply now. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to kickstart your career in finance. Apply now by clicking the link provided in the description. Like, share and subscribe for more exciting opportunities and career tips. Thanks for watching.